Listen to the hype about ceramic auto paint coatings and you might get the idea that a ceramic top coat will protect your vehicle from falling tree limbs. It won't. The best ceramic coatings will give your car or truck its best defense against settling airborne chemicals and pollutants, tree sap, road and sea salt, bird poop and the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays. They'll also deliver a gorgeous sheen that's hard to beat. A high-quality ceramic car coating can change the look of your car by deepening your car's paint color, adding a glass-like finish, and protecting your vehicle from the elements. 1. CQuartz CQuartz UK 3.0. We recommend the CQuartz CQuartz ceramic coating kit for any detailer keen on a professional look without the high price tag. After curing, the coating is chemical and salt resistant, as well as ultra-water repelling. It's also formulated with an above-average silicon oxide quartz content, making the coating glossy and long-wearing. However, this ceramic car coating is not for beginners. Like many higher-quality ceramic coatings, you'll need to prep your vehicle thoroughly before the actual application process. 2. Adams UV Ceramic Paint Coating Kit. Adams UV Ceramic Coating is rated at 9H on the Mohs scale of mineral hardness. The scale range rates from 1 to 10, making the 9H rating extremely durable in even the harshest conditions. Normal clear coat typically rates between 2H and 4H. As an added bonus, the infused patent-pending ceramic glow technology works as an application aid and allows you to see where the coating has been applied. A little goes a long way. The included 50 ml bottle will coat 2 full-size vehicles, or you can layer 2 coats on one car for an even more intense shine. A 4.0 ounces bottle of surface prep is included along with ceramic boost spray for maintenance. High-quality micro-silk applicators, plush towels and a pair of gloves will help you be the master of your detailing craft. 3. Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Spray Coating. This ceramic coating features silicon oxide polymers, silica nanoparticles, which give your car a glass-like look and shine. These polymers also aid in water repelling and sheeting after the ceramic coating cures. This product not only looks great but also proves it can withstand harsh elements and strong chemical solvents. This ceramic coating's application process is simple, requiring only 2 sprays, a wipe down with a microfiber towel, and a 24-hour cure time. 4. Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat. The Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat is one of the most popular DIY ceramic coatings. The 3-in-1 formula acts as a waterless wash, coat, and shine for your vehicle. According to Shine Armor, the spray takes only 15 minutes to apply. Make sure your vehicle is properly washed before applying the ceramic coating. You can use it on your clear coat, wheels, windshield, and mirrors. 5. NextGen Ceramic Spray. NextGen Ceramic Spray can leave flecks and streaks that take some serious elbow grease to buff out. That's almost certainly because you sprayed too much on the paint to begin with. Use less, work less. The 8-ounce bottle is enough for 4 or 5 midsize cars. Once it's on, NextGen leaves a slick shine and something you don't get in many easy app ceramic sprays. 6. Cerakote Rapid Ceramic Paint Sealant. Cerakote's Rapid Ceramic Paint Sealant is about as cheap and simple as you can get in the world of ceramic coatings. It dried within a minute and wiped off. After its 24-hour cure, the area of the hood with the Cerakote was ever so slightly different in texture compared with the control area of the hood, but there was a difference. When running a fingernail gently across the coatings, it's clear this is the thinnest of the bunch.